Hey you guys, what's up? So today we're going to be coloring my hair because let's be real, it definitely needs it. And this is the Splat Ombre Rain Kit, and we're going to be using this today. It comes with everything you need. It comes with one Splat Violet Storm, one Splat Pink Mist, one Oxide, one Lightning Bleach, an instruction sheet, and some gloves. So I'm just going to mix the Lightning Bleach into the Oxide bottle, shake it up a bit, and then we're going to apply it straight to the hair. So this kit is formulated with quinoa extracts as well as baobab seed oil. So it's really going to nourish your hair, improve shine, and lock in the color. Baobab seed oil can help nourish hair follicles and give the appearance of soft hair, and quinoa extracts help give the appearance of strong, healthy hair. So I let that sit on my hair for a little bit, and here's what it looked like when I washed it out. So as you can see, my roots got bleached out, but I have some stubborn hair color that will just not come out, you guys. So now I'm applying the pink mist color to the top of my hair, and then we are going to ombre that into the Violet Storm. And I'm going to let this sit for a while, and here's what it looked like when I washed it out and blow dried my hair. And here is the final product of my hair. So underneath here, it's like all pink. But yeah, I just want to say thank you so much to Splat for sending me this product to try, and thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to live life in color. Please like the video if you like this, subscribe if you want to see more, and I'll be back with another video very, very soon. Bye, you guys.